force nature because of what you are seeing. Don't force nature. Because sometimes success comes with age. Success comes with age sometimes. Before giving at this earth, an agreement gain your own God reach you. Maybe when the late 20s or early 30s, I will start building house. I will start driving cars. Because of pressure and the things you are seeing in this earth, maybe in 20 years or so moto now nulu. My agreement between that person and his own God richly before I been at this earth, out of pressure. Giga to go and force nature. Giga chikiti yakana inhojo to get money. To get money, all the very, very risky. Sometimes Anasina in who on your grog we gonna 2 years, 3 years, yeah, 5 years. In with the force of nature. And once you force all our nature, you make it your God, as if your God amazi in honoga. Amazi right here. Gina force your God to give you all your glories. Your God geji will brew all your glories, making big again, make you eat your glory. And once your God give you all your glory, ye make abandon. Your God will leave you behind. Happens ndino jigi mrezentanta ndamusu abuke riegi. On him na anida sina madu bochogbe ego 3 years 4 years onye ha nwuo. The person died onye ha nwuo because your God ahapụla ogazi aga idigi ogazi emegi ogazi protect gị in any danger again or hapụziele gị iwolo ofege mmadu. So never force nature. Some of the native doctors on there agagbagi because even the Bible say it, ask it shall be given to you, knock the door shall open. So either na nulo native doctors no way or we go kichi ego. A native doctor 100% right. Imenagi hikobia. Unless you care for gina ya mikese gimba na gilele na ya wontu gina chigi sipa. Are you understanding? So in this life, never force nature. Because anything not blame at this earth, you get regret. Even in your next life, you get regret. So never force nature. Live your life according to the agreement between you and your God. Everything has its own season. Wait for your season. Thank you.